Welcome back to Auto Flair Words, your ultimate pit stop for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the futuristic world of the 2026 Fisker Ronin, the all-electric Super GT that's turning heads and bending expectations. The Fisker Ronin isn't just a car, it's a statement. Designed with a bold presence and sculpted lines, this four-door convertible is built with carbon fiber to keep it lightweight yet strong. It features a retractable hardtop that opens in just seconds, combining performance with a luxurious open-air driving experience. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the sleek frame, it packs a triple-motor all-wheel drive system, pushing out over 1,000 horsepower. That's 0 to 60 in just around 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric vehicles in the world. With a projected range of about 600 miles on a single charge, the Ronin is not just fast, it's built to last on long drives too. Inside, you're welcomed by a futuristic cockpit with a massive digital display, sustainable vegan materials, and cutting-edge tech. Fisker has promised advanced autonomous features, next-gen connectivity, and a focus on driver-centric controls. The doors, absolutely unique. The front ones swing up in a butterfly style, while the rear doors slide backwards, making every entrance feel like a red carpet moment. Only 999 units will be made, keeping it ultra-exclusive and appealing to collectors and EV enthusiasts alike. With design, power, and innovation all packed into one car, the Fisker Ronin is set to challenge everything we think we know about electric grand tourers. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Flair Words for more deep dives into the most exciting cars of the future.